You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as we draw a bottle. So we have drawn the horizontal line, which is the base, and now the vertical line on which the drawing will be made. We are dividing it into 3 sections, chosen 3 sections of equal proportion, using the neck region as the ratio for the entire height of the bottle, which is 1/3 of the entire bottle. So we are drawing the left side of the bell of the bottle, now the right side. The other section is the neck, so we draw it in as we observe the bottle. This is a beer bottle. There is also a pattern on the bottle at the bottom side. We also include it. And now the label. You can now erase the lines that are not needed. So we begin the shading. Remember, the light source on the drawing is from the right. Shading is important in a drawing, art drawing, to make it solid, to make it pictorially convincing to the eyes. If you are learning from this drawing on video, do give this video a thumbs up by pressing the relevant button, and also subscribing to our channel for more drawing lessons every week. Do also extend this video link to your friends and families who may have kids that may need it to watch, and also like and subscribe for their own art lessons every week too. We promise to do the best to keep you satisfied. Just signal us by making a comment also on what you would like us to treat next. Thank you. It is important we put a line under this bottle to make it stand firm on the base. Now we are adding shadow on the right side based on the light reflection on the bottle. That will give it additional strength and pictorial clarity.